Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing, but with a twist. You don't need a website to start earning commissions. That's right, I'm going to share with you 5 ways you can make money with affiliate marketing without even owning a website. So, if you're interested in making money online, keep watching. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to start earning money online, but it does require you to have a website or blog, right? Wrong. Today, I'm going to show you 5 ways to make money with affiliate marketing without even owning a website. These methods are beginner friendly, and anyone can start implementing them right away. So, let's dive in. The first way to make money with affiliate marketing without a website is through social media. You can promote affiliate products on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or even TikTok. All you have to do is find a product that fits your niche, share your unique affiliate link, and voila! You earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. The second way to make money with affiliate marketing without a website is through email marketing. You can create an email list and send out newsletters or promotions that include your affiliate link. This method works best when you have a targeted email list of subscribers who are interested in the products you're promoting. The third way to make money with affiliate marketing without a website is through YouTube. You can create videos reviewing products or services and include your affiliate link in the video description. If you have a large following, you can even earn a steady stream of passive income. The fourth way to make money with affiliate marketing without a website is through guest posting. You can write a blog post or article for another website or blog and include your affiliate link in the post. This method can be effective because it allows you to tap into an existing audience that may be interested in the products you're promoting. The fifth and final way to make money with affiliate marketing without a website is through paid advertising. You can use platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads to promote your affiliate products. This method requires some investment, but if done right, it can be very profitable. There you have it, 5 ways to make money with affiliate marketing without even owning a website. Remember, these methods require some effort and time investment, but they're a great way to start earning passive income online. So, pick one that suits you best and start taking action today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.